In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add staff on Shopify. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin for the store you want to manage. Once you are on the main admin screen, look down to the bottom left corner. This is where Shopify keeps your main configuration options. Click on Settings to open the full Settings menu. Inside Settings, find and select Users and Permissions. This section controls who can access your Shopify admin and what each person is allowed to do. It is a good place to review access regularly, especially if roles change on your team. On the Users and Permissions page, click Add Staff. This starts the invitation process for a new staff account. Shopify uses invites so you can grant access without sharing your own login, which helps keep your store secure and keeps activity tied to the correct person. Now enter the staff member's full name and their email address. Make sure the email address is typed correctly, because Shopify will send the invitation to that inbox. If the address is incorrect, the staff member will not receive the invite and you will need to resend it. Next, choose the permissions you want to grant. Permissions determine what the staff member can view or change, like orders, products, customers, or settings. Take a moment here and be intentional. A helpful best practice is to give only the access someone needs to do their job. If you want them to have full access, you can select the option to select all permissions, but use that only when it fits their role. When everything looks correct, click Send Invite. Shopify will email the staff member a link to accept the invitation. At this point, the account is not fully active until they accept. Finally, make sure the staff member opens the email invite and accepts it using the provided link. Once they accept, they will be able to sign in with their own credentials and access the areas you approved. And that is all there is to it.